raven, nevermore. That word or sign of parted bird or fiend, I shriek unstartled. Get thee back into thy tempest, into thy light-fluffed shore. Leave me no black moon as I stooken from the lie that soul has spoken. Leave my loneliness unbroken, quiet these verses above my door. Take thy beak from my heart, take thy form from my door. But the cross, the raven, nevermore. And the raven never flittered, still is sitting on that placid bust of Pallas just above my chamber door. And his eyes have all the scenes of a demon that is dreaming. All the lamplight o'er him steaming grows his shadow on the floor. And my soul from out that shadow that lies floating on the floor, shall he be lifted nevermore.